southwestern Granger County, southeastern Union County.
Oh, we got it back. It's back.
At 9:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Clinton, moving north. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Knoxville, Maynardville, Plainview, Halls, Blaine, Luttrell, Rose Hill, Paulette, House Mountain State Park, and Maloneyville. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 109 and 118. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Holy fuck, we just caught that on camera.